In this video, I'll put you through on how to quickly and easily send file from Windows 11 laptop or PC to an iPhone using phone link. Let's just get right into it. Okay, once you are on the desktop section of your computer or laptop, click on this start button, which is the same as Windows logo key. Now, once you click there, you will see this send files section. All right. If maybe you don't have this here, you need to connect your iPhone to your laptop or computer. I'll walk you through. I will give you a video that will allow you to do that at the end of this video. But now let's just continue. All right. So click on this send files. Okay. Now this will open this phone link app will open by this side and it's showing send to GTech iPhone. That's the name of my iPhone in this case. Click on select files. On clicking on select files, a folder in your computer will be opened automatically. All right, here downloads is opened. It can be taken to documents, it can be taken to music. All right, but here let's work with downloads. So I'll click on downloads folder. Now what I need to do now is to navigate to the file I want to send. Okay, in this case, let me just send maybe a picture. All right, so I'll click on that picture. This is a picture, I'll click on it. Then on clicking on that file you want to send, click on this send button. So it said sending this, that's the name of the file. All right, I have received this file directly into my iPhone. You can see file sent. Okay, so what I need to do is that I will drag down from top. All right, so that I'll see this notification fully. File sent from your PC. I will tap on that. All right, it says link to Windows. Would like to use Bluetooth for new connections. I will tap on close. All right. So you see it's still entering into my iPhone, all right, and it has entered my iPhone fully right now. So I will tap on that picture, all right, the image there, and you can see this is the file I received. Okay, this is the file I sent from my laptop. Now I can decide to send this into to save this into my Photos app because right now is on the link to Windows app. Okay, so I can tap on this or I can long press on it. Okay, it doesn't give me any option. Then let me tap on the share button at the bottom right. Okay, at the bottom left. Good. These have provided me with some options. Then I'll select the option save image. Okay. And now this is made available in the Photos app of my iPhone. So let's get home. Let me see if it's there indeed. So I'll get to the Photos app. You can see it here. I'll tap on it. Then I will tap on the picture. And here is it. Okay. So this is how you can send, files from your laptop or your computer to your iPhone. So fast and easy. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. By the way, if you don't know how to set up the phone link app or link to Windows from iPhone, all right, you can check out this video. It walks you through on how to, set up everything before you get to this stage we discussed today. All right, so check it out. So subscribe to learn more here and leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.